Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY in Java. I'm Michelle. I just wanted to pop on here real quick to do a quick unboxing of something I'm really excited that I got. The company Toheto reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in looking at and trying out their Lightpad. Now, I love doing final crafts, but if you've been with me for any length of time, you know that I hate weeding. It's the bane of my existence. It's not my favorite. But I've been wanting a light box because I've heard that it really helps you see those lines and really get in there and know where everything is. So I've been wanting a light box, but they're pretty expensive. So it was a wish list type of thing. So when they reached out to me and asked if I was interested in looking at their Lightpad, I was like, yes, I would love to. And inwardly I was squealing. So it's an unboxing. I've only opened the box so that I could get to it easily. It came yesterday, so I'm super excited. Okay, so this is the box that it comes with, and it is a good size. So the product itself is called A4-D26, and I will have the Amazon link down below as well. The size of it is a little less than 13.5 inches by 9 by 8 inches, and then the width is 0.7 inches, so it's going to be really thin. The actual light working area is going to be 8.5 by 12 inches. So let's open this puppy up. Oh, I forgot to mention, it comes in 4 different colors: white, black, blue, and pink. Okay, the box is super sturdy and it comes in a plastic case, essentially. I feel like it's really well insulated. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the size, really big. Not bad, right? And as you can see, super thin. This would actually be really easy to take with you if you were needing to take it somewhere to go places on travel. I would say it's probably about the size of, I'm not an Apple person, but it's probably about the size of our Surface Pro, which I think is about the size of a MacBook. So really thin, lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels easy to transport. Okay, so that's that. These are some of the accessories. So we've got a dual USB cord, so you can plug it into either your laptop, your PC, the wall, whatever. Okay, these are cool. I saw these on the box. These are little magnets to hold paper in place if you're tracing. My son took one look at this Lightpad. He didn't actually open it, but he looked at the box and he was like, can I have this? Because he's an avid drawer and sketcher. So this is really cool. I may share it with him. But little magnets, they're really strong. Oh, that's cool. They include a pencil sharpener and an eraser. Nice little touch. And then, oh, a pencil. They include a pencil too. All right, so here's the question. How long does the battery last? Now on the box, it says that it lasts 6.5 hours for a full charge. Pretty good. I mean, I don't really have anything to compare it to, but that seems pretty good. So it is a lithium battery and it's called a Brightpad. All right, let's turn this puppy on. Okay, so here's where the USB gets plugged in and this is the on button. Now I haven't charged it yet, so we're gonna see if it turns on. Oh, it does. So there are 5 brightness modes on this Lightpad, and the illumination is 400, 790, 1180, 1560, and 1950. And it's nice. It has a ruler on both sides. It's pretty bright. I have not used it yet, but I plan to use it with my vinyl, and I know my son will probably want to use it with his drawing and tracing. But first look, I would say this looks like a really great product. It's sturdy, but it's lightweight. The brightness is really nice. I feel like it will definitely show through the vinyl that I have, and it will absolutely show through any paper. And I just feel like this is a really good deal. So just looking at it from the box, I would say this is worth a buy, or at least a look. So definitely check that out. I will have the link in my description box. Okay, so I was pretty impressed with it. So like I said, I will have the link down in the description box. And again, thank you so much to Toheto for the Lightpad. I can't wait to use it, and be on the lookout because I may do a follow-up video to let you know what I think of it with the vinyl. And until I see you in the next video, take care.